Timetomuskup.
Wow. Back again with a special unboxing, a Chanel. If you listen to Ramsey, he just recently got an unboxing from a special person in the community, and that goes by Rich Mitch out in UK. And he offered me this bottle. Some people will probably know what I'm talking about already. Here she is. Cut away. Now, I also do want to say thank you to Rich's friend, which pretty much helped mule this back to America, because the shipping from the UK, shipping perfume, is basically impossible. So thank you to him. He will remain nameless. But there we go. So it was taken care of. The box in a box with padding. All right, here we go. So this fragrance, I consider it to be one of the greatest Chanels, and it might be even considered one of the greatest fragrances in its category. And I love this category as well. He did offer me, Rich offered me 2 samples from his whole collection, and these are the 2 that I picked. Now, this first sample is pretty expensive on eBay, and so I haven't tried it, and it would be an expensive blind buy, and I don't know if maybe it's a case of FOMO, and so maybe I'll try it and I won't care for it that much after, but we'll see. And that is Gucci Envy. Okay, it's finally out of its wrapping. And the fragrance that I'm talking about here is Cuir de Russie EDT. Really, well, I don't want to say, well, I guess it's hard to find. At least at a normal price, it's really hard to find. So I'm very fortunate that Rich offered this to me. But I do have this version here, the EDP, Cuir de Russie. And this stuff is just amazing. Traditionally, some people, males, might find it to be quite feminine. Really at the top only, because you're gonna get hit with orange blossom, some prominent ylang ylang. There's some tobacco. There's also, I think, a big hit of jasmine in the EDP, some citrus at the top. But as the fragrance starts to dry down, you start to get this birchy, dirty Russian boot leather that smells like skin on skin contact, if you know what I mean. And I have it here on my arm. After I showered, I sprayed this on. Really gorgeous. If to break it down simply, at the top you would think it kind of smells like the most luxurious like hand cream or lotion, but it's dried down a little bit, and I'm starting to get some of that tobacco. It's very nice and incensey, smoky, very skin-like I said before. Not forgetting the jasmine and the ylang at this point. I'm somewhere in the mid right now, and it's getting a little leathery, without a doubt. That's the EDP. Let's see the EDT. See what she is about. Okay, so I heard about some things about the EDT version, and it seems like that is the case. And this is feels a lot more brighter, a lot more throw, a lot more citrus I'm getting here at the top. I'm not getting as much orange blossom. Yeah, overall, I'm not getting as many florals as I was in the EDP. Although it's starting to tone down a little bit and not as loud. You see, it got to the mid a lot quicker here. The tobacco feels stronger. I'm getting more incense, and I'm getting the leather a lot quicker as well. This is a little bit dirtier too. Really nice. Getting some of those resins. Again, that same skin on skin effect. Gorgeous. Love this stuff. Now, I'm not gonna say which one is better, obviously, because I just sprayed it on. But I never like to say if the EDT is better than the EDP like some people do, because I just think it's preference. Some people might like the EDT more, some people might like the EDP more. I don't have extensive experience with the EDTs, but the ones that I have tried, I do prefer the EDTs over, and that is Sycamore EDT. I do like more than the EDP that I have, although I do love the EDP as well. I do have 28 La Pausa, which I enjoy more than La Pausa, but La Pausa is also gorgeous as well. In another video I'll be doing is I'm going to be comparing the EDT, the EDP, and the 80s version of Cuir de Russie, the bottle that Rich has, that he was nice enough to spare some. The 80s version is the one that came in this style bottle. Thank you very much, Rich. I will be enjoying this without a doubt.